with a unique flavor. Today I'm going to teach you how to make this delicious apple dessert. To start, cut 6 apples into small slices. That's perfect. Squeeze half a lemon over the apples. In a buttered and floured baking dish, add the apples. Arrange them so the height is even, then add ground cinnamon to taste. In a bowl, sift 8 3/4 ounces of all-purpose flour and 8 3/4 ounces of sugar. Also, add 1/3 of an ounce of baking powder. Sprinkle this mixture over the apples. Spread it well so everything is covered. In another bowl, add 2 eggs and 3 tablespoons of melted butter and mix. Pour over the apples and spread with a spoon to distribute it evenly. In another bowl, add 2½ ounces of sugar and ground cinnamon to taste and mix. Sprinkle this on top. Bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 40 minutes. The result is amazing. I'll cut a piece to show you. If you're craving to try it, leave a like on this video. And tell me what you think in the comments. Not following our community yet? Click the subscribe button to keep up with our next creations. Big hugs!